English shorthand dictation at 100 words per minute. Ready, start. The injured person and other resident guests of the hotel with whom he was having food and wine insisted upon going to terrace area in question to smoke despite there being another designated area in the hotel. Messrs. Asian Hotels under bracket North Limited, who is made accused number one, is the owner of the hotel merely because the appellant was holding position as managing director in absence of specific allegations of negligence with the criminal intent is not liable for prosecution. The causes for the incident was the act of injured climbing a wall with a height of 2 feet 8 inches with 1 foot 8 inches fence on the mumty and walking there. The accused number 1 is the owner of the hotel and no individual can be made accused along with the company unless there is sufficient evidence of his active role with criminal intent. The High Court of Delhi has wrongly placed reliance on the judgment of this court in the case of Sushil Ansal versus State through SBI and rejected the petition filed by the appellant. In support of his case, learned counsel Sri Siddharth Luthra relied on the judgments of this court in the case of Sunil Bharti Mittal versus Central Bureau of Investigation, Maqsood Saeed versus State of Gujarat, Sarad Kumar Sanghi versus Sangeeta Rane and Pooja Ravinder Devidasini versus State of Maharashtra. Learned Counsel referred to the status report extracted in the order dated 21st August 2015 passed by the Joint Commissioner of Police by which representation of Miss Gauri Rishi was rejected. Learned Senior Counsel Sri Mukul Gupta appearing for the appellant accused number 4 who was the general manager of the hotel has made the following submissions. By looking at the allegations made in the charge sheet submitted by the police, no case is made out to proceed against him for the alleged offences under section 336, 338 read with section 32 of IPC and section 4 of Kotpa 2003. The incident occurred only due to sheer negligence of the injured who walked out to the terrace for smoking and climbed on the parapet wall with the height of 2 feet 8 inches, which was having additional fence of 1 foot 8 inches. The appellant accused number 4 was also out of country on the date of incident only on the ground that the appellant accused number 1 is a general manager. He cannot be held vicariously liable as he is not even the licensee of the hotel. Learned Senior Counsel while referring to the judgment in the case of Sunil Bharti Mittal versus Central Bureau of Investigation and relied on other judgments in support of his case. Learned Senior Counsel Sri Anupam Lal Das appearing for the appellant in criminal appeal at SLP criminal numbers 10,054 to 10,056 of 2011 2018, filed by the sister of the injured, has made the following submissions. Having regard to negligence and violation of conditions of license made against the appellants accused numbers 2 and 4, no case is made out to quash the proceedings. The appellants accused being the managing director and the general manager of the company cannot escape their responsibility for their negligence and other in charge persons of the hotel, which resulted in an unfortunate incident in which the brother of the appellant has suffered grievous hurt. There are absolutely no grounds to interfere with the impugned order passed by the High Court. At the same time, the High Court has committed error in issuing directions in cryptic and unreasoned manner in granting exemption for personal appearance of the accused. The exemption for appearing in person is a matter to be considered under Section 2005 and oblique or Section 317 of Criminal of CRPC by the concerned magistrate. Learned Counsel has placed various decisions of this court wherein scope of section 482 CRPC is considered. Learned Counsel also relied on in support of his case in the case of TGN Kumar versus State of Kerala and others, and also the judgment in the case of Madan Mohan versus State of Rajasthan. We have considered the detailed submissions, arguments advanced by the learned counsel on both the sides and also perused order and other materials placed on record. We have perused the impugned order passed by the High Court. The High Court has referred to the contentions in detail and has arrived at the conclusion that it is not a fit case to quash the proceedings. The High Court has mainly relied on the judgment of this court in the case of Susil Ansal versus State through CBI. Having regard to the order which we propose to pass, we feel it is not desirable to record findings in detail except to the extent required for the disposal of these appeals, as much as these appeals are filed against the order passed on application filed against the order passed on application for quashing the proceedings under section 482 of CRPC. Any findings on various contentious issues will prejudice the case of parties during the trial. Stop.